In this video, I take a look at Era 2 Vocal Codex by Eduardo Tarilante. This library is built from real recordings of vocal performances, expertly crafted into playable legato virtual instruments. First, I'll show you a demo I composed, and then I'll do a walkthrough of how the instruments work. Here is my demo. I have Celtia, Heroica, Bard, and Medieval Tenor, all four of the solo vocal virtual instruments. Now for the walkthrough. First, I'll take a look at Celtia. Celtia features the solo performances of Celisa Soldrium. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that correctly in the comments. And you can change the vowel sound while playing using your mod wheel. The green keys select words. If you play hard, you get the whole word. If you play medium, you get the end of the word. If you play very softly, you get just the beginning of the word. And these words are great for starting phrases, because if you start playing a word, you can go right into legato playing. The blue keys play ornaments. And the pink keys let you start your phrase with an L, an N, or an S. And then they play whatever vowel sound you have selected with your mod wheel. You can change the speed that the words are performed here. So let's hear what the fast performed words sound like. So you see, with all these controls, you can get quite detailed in making the singer sing words and phrases of your imagination, perhaps a custom fantasy language for your world. Now I look at Heroica. It features the same singer from Celtia, but this time she's singing in a more passionate, aggressive style. The blue keys let you select ornaments. The pink keys let you select words, and these words change based on what vowel sound you have loaded up. And remember, you change the vowel by moving the mod wheel. Now I'll show you some of the shouts and effects that come with Heroica. Now for the male voices. I love this bard singer. He would fit perfectly into some medieval fantasy setting in a cathedral or singing to the soldiers before they march into battle. Take a listen to this. And this features the performances of Ivan Lopez. And the green keys pick words. And there's a lot of different words to choose from. And just like Celtia, if you play hard, you get the whole word. And if you play soft, you get just the start of the word. And if you play medium, you get the second half of the word. So let's play with these words here and sing some custom phrases. And let's hear the words played quickly. And each of these singers come with breaths, so you can put some breaths between your phrases for added realism. Now for the medieval tenor, featuring the voice of Victor Sordo. This one allows you to change the legato speed and then put it to very fast. I think I like it on very slow. This one has a whole bunch of different ornaments you can play. And these ornaments respond to what vowel you have loaded up, which you change with your mod wheel. It also has a whole bunch of different words to play. So let's improvise here a little bit, play some of these words and some legato. And here's some of the words played fast. Locus fortuna Domini. Now I want to show you the legato, the humming legato that comes with Celtia, and then I'll show you the phrases that come with each of these singers. And here's some of the phrases. Here are some of the bard phrases. Here are some of the heroica phrases. And here's some of the medieval tenor phrases. Precedet vos in Galile, dic novis Mariacui. This library also comes with a bunch of soundscapes. Let's take a look at adventuring. And how about the Dream Gothic Harp? The abyss. Lord of the Wind 1. Era 2 Medieval Legends pairs great with Era 2 Vocal Codex. This nickel harp is one of my favorites. And I love this bass viola da gamba. It sounds really warm and rich. And you get some great plucked instruments, like the Renaissance lute. It has tavern shouts, which I think are great. I'll use these all the time. Wind instruments like flutes, whistles, reeds like these bagpipes, war horns, and lots of percussion like this frame drum. You even get some keys like this organetto. And brass, like this natural trumpet. What solo vocal instrument was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video.